Scene 1, action.
Hey everyone, the Jungle Festival is next weekend.
Oh no, we still don't know what to do. We don't have music, dance, or anything.
We can hold a banana party. Banana are the best.
Or have a race with crocodiles. That sounds exciting.
What if we do a talent show?
A talent show? I love talent show. I love singing.
That's a great idea, Rico. We can show what we do best.
But what if my talent isn't good enough?
Every talent is special when you put effort into it. That's right. My talent is being funny and making people laugh.
What if I fall again? I'm always so clumsy. Don't worry, we will help each other. Let's get ready and shine together.
Yeah!
Let's do it!
Alright everyone, we need to prepare if we want an amazing show.
Yes, we need a big sign that says Jungle Talent Show. I can run around, getting fines and leaves for the stage.
I can hold a banana snack for snack and play tricks with them too.
I can help clean the stage using my trunk. A spray here, a spray there.
I can help hand the rice.
I'm tall enough to reach the top.
And I'll write down the orders, nice and slow, so it's fair. Fantastic, we need music. Gabriel, could you get us some music?
Jungle friends, get on your feet. It's time to shine and feel the beat.
Lois, I can be a host. I have just ready.
Let's meet here again tomorrow and practice.
Remember, don't worry about being perfect. Let's have fun together.
Yeah!
Welcome to the Jungle Talent Show. Are you ready to have fun?
Yes!
Let's start with Gabriel, the parrot, the queen of jungle music.
Twinkle, twinkle, jungle lights. Animal perform tonight. Feathers fly and tails swinging. Come and hear the jungle sing.
Bravo, Gabriel. Next are Roy, the sleepy zebra.
Check this out. I'll run a Z shape in under 5 seconds.
Whoa, so fast! And now, Caleb, the elephant.
I'll pen using water of my trunk. Ta-da! A splash of art.
And a bit of water like this.
Next are Shine, the giraffe.
I'm shy, but I can touch the sky.
She's so tall. She can eat the cloud.
And now, it's time for Timmy, the monkey.
I saw me. Watch me play tricks with bananas. Oh! Being goofy is my talent.
Nice one, Last but not least, Rico, the turtle.
I may be slow, but I have a job. What do you call a deer with no arms?
What?
No idea.
This is the end for our talent show. Hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
This was the Jungle Talent Show ever. And the best part,
Nobody is perfect. We just have to be ourselves. We each did something unique, and it was awesome.
I'm glad I joined. I feel proud for everyone. I made fall down a lot, but now I fly with style.
We didn't just shine alone, we shine together.
Last secret to happiness, being proud of who you are and helping others shine too.
Together, everyone, let's start. Let's finish with jungle cheer.
We all shine, we all glow. Different talents help us grow. Fast or slow, big or small. Together we shine brightest of them all. 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Our King Bee, Animal Kingdom's King our crew.
As the king of this forest, I call this emergency meeting. What is all this?
Trash, trash, trash. Humans, let's trash everywhere. We are all doomed.
Red, please slow down. We can't understand.
Oh no, this garbage makes my beautiful fur look so bad.
Look at me. I'm a fancy raccoon with a new car. Ta-da!
I think that's a plastic ring from solar kids. It's dangerous.
Dangerous? Is it going to explode? Should we run? No, it's not going to
Tucker, quickly.
explode. This is a crisis. Human trash is destroying our forest and biodiversity.
Bio what? Biodiversity. It's the plants and animals together that's made our forest special.
Can I keep this? It's shiny.
You pull it down. You don't know where it's been.
I think it was in a human's mouth.
Ew! I can't accept it. We must take action.
But what can we do? We are just animals.
In SDG 15, we need to protect the land, help nature, and think of the future. SDG, what's land?
It stands for Sustainable Development Goals from the humans.
The only goal I have is to keep my fur clean. This trash is a mess.
I think
Yes, Tucker.
we should talk like Tucker all day. Clean it up. Tucker is right. If we want to protect our land, we need to take action.
As a king, I decree a royal clean act. All animals must do it.
But how do we clean all this up?
Maybe we could social garbage, plastic here, paper there.
Can we eat any of it?
No!
Just kidding. Sheesh.
As king, I help watch and also join in.
Got one, another one, another one. I'm the fastest. No one can beat me. I need gloves. Does anyone have gloves? No? Fine. I don't mind looking silly if it helps the environment.
Look at me. I'm a best girl here now. Plastic here, paper there. Remember, throwing trash the wrong way can harm animals.
Look, I made us from trash.
If humans take this, do they get special powers? Almost there.
Tucker, quickly, quickly.
Slow and steady wins the race. Or gets eaten by a predator.
Look, mirror. Finally, I can check my fur. Oh no, a stick. Emergency.
It's like I say, no candy, but I still eat honey.
Humans are complicated.
Complicated or not, they're running our kingdom.
SDG 15 also says we should help animals that might disappear forever.
Disappear?
Yes, like gone forever. No more game over. Forever and ever.
That's so sad.
We need a plan to stop humans from trashing our home.
In the poster, it says we should stop hurting nature by protecting the land and animals.
But how? We can't tell to humans.
Maybe we can send them a message.
Like a forest mail?
Dear humans, please stop being missing from forest animals.
Can we put up a sign? No littering animals' homes.
What if we return their trash?
Check it, you small moving genius! We can bring the trash to their camp.
Good idea. If humans see that, they might know how their trash hurts nature. Return the trash. I love it.
I need to count my thoughts. I need to be beautiful.
We can make a sad face with the trash to show our feeling.
Well, humans be angry. Well, they hurt us.
We'll be quick, in and out. They won't even see us.
For the forest and biodiversity, we must do it.
Return the trash. Everyone ready?
The sad face is gone. Remember, we're doing this to protect our forest.
My foot is ready too. Ready, ready, ready. Let's go already.
Wait for me. Wow, what's all this trash? And why does it look like a sad face? Did we do this to the forest?
Your trash hurts our home. Please protect life on land, the forest animal. Wow, I shouldn't throw the trash everywhere. I'm going to clean this up and tell everyone we need to protect the forest. No more littering.
Our plan worked. The humans got the message.
This is what SDG 15 is about, taking the action to protect our land.
And with this, we're looking cool. We save the forest. We save biodiversity. We are heroes.
Did I miss everything?
I still don't get why humans make things they just throw away.
Humans still have so much to learn.
Say